Do you know how a manual gravity dispenser works? This is a brilliant, 100% mechanical escapement mechanism operated entirely by a lever. Notice the chute with the yellow cylinders. Gravity pulls them all down, but the red rail acts as a barrier. The green part in the center is not a motor. It is simply the support bearing that serves as the pivot point, the fulcrum of this lever. To get a can, you manually lift the front of the rail. A single can rolls into the cradle. At the exact same time, the red rod drops down and physically blocks the rest of the queue, preventing everything from falling at once. When you lower the rail, the can is dispensed and the rod lifts, allowing the next can to advance, ready for the next cycle. Pure engineering, using only levers and gravity. Keep engineering and subscribe for more 3D mechanisms.